In the last video, we created our connection to Firebase, and the next thing we should do straight away before we move on and try to send our data to Firebase is run our program and see that everything is working correctly. That's imported all the Firebase modules. So you can see here that it tells us module not found or no module named Firebase. So what has happened here is it's gone looking for your Firebase module that you're trying to import and it cannot find it. And the problem there lies in we didn't import any modules. So we need to go up to Tools, we need to go to Manage Packages, and we need to look for a package that is called Python-Firebase. Unusual name, but that's the name that we're looking for. Not Firebase now, we're looking for Python-Firebase. So click on that, and what we're going to do is we're going to install that. Click on Install. And that's an install there. We close and now we run it. Okay, and we're after getting a second error. And the second error down here is that could not open port COM7. So I left this project a little while ago and I shut down my computer and I'm after coming back to it. And what has happened is when I connected my microbit back in, it must have created a different virtual port to the original one that I'd set up. A very common problem. So if I look for my command prompt here, and just go mode, and you can see now that I'm connected through COM port, communications port 10. So change that to communications port 10, save that now, run it, and we now have our temperatures coming back in, all good again like we were a couple of videos ago. The big thing to take from this is that the Firebase or the Python-Firebase module where we access Firebase was missing, and we needed to go to Tools, so Tools, Manage Packages, and then we needed to install our package which is Python-Firebase. We need to stop the program before we do that, but again, Tools, Manage Packages, and in the packages then we go and search for Python-Firebase. And we already have this installed, but if you didn't, so there it is, but we have it installed, so I'm going to click it off. You need to install it, and that's all something you need to just watch out for.